So, ma'am, yung program na napunta sa akin is hit and run. Public static int, xy, counter equals 1, score equals 0. So, yung xy, yun yung pag up and down nung bird. So, sa loob ng form 1, merong picture box 5 dot visible equals false. Picture box 6 dot visible equals false. Picture box 4 dot visible equals false. Timer 3 dot enable equals true. Yung picture box 5, wait lang. 4, 5, and 6. 4 and yung ito yung 5, ito yung 6. Meron din yung very good din dito sa kabila, ma'am. Yung picture box 5, 6, and 4, naka-false sila, so hindi sila mabafunction. Yung timer 3, naka-enable siya. Yung timer 3, magpa-function siya. Sa loob ng form 1, if yung counter is equals 1, yung timer 3 daw, timer 3 that enable equals true. Naka-true siya para mag-function siya. Sa timer 1, x equals picture box 1 dot location dot x, y equals picture box 1 dot location y, picture box 1 dot location equals new point x, y, negative 15. Yung picture box 1, tumam yung bird, naka x, y, negative 15 siya para kung gaano siya kabilis magtaas baba. If yung y is equal 155, yung timer 1 that enable equals false, timer 2 that enable equals true. Yung timer 1, naka-false siya para hindi siya mag-function. Yung if yung y is equals 155, yung timer 2 lang yung mag-function. So, sa timer 2, yung x equals picture box 1 dot location dot x, y equals picture box 1 dot location dot y, picture box 1 dot location equals new point xy plus 15. If y is equals 299, timer 2, kung yung y naman daw naka equals to 290, yung timer 2 naman yung naka false. Kabaliktaran nila dito kanina. So, sa timer 3, x equals picture box 2 dot location dot x, y equals picture box 2 dot location dot y, picture box 2 dot location equals new point x plus 5 y. Yung picture box 2, ito yung isang car dito. Sana yun? Basta yung car sa left side, yun kung gaano siya kabilis. Kaya naka x plus 5y. Kung gaano kabilis yung pagpasok ng car sa left side. If yung picture box 1 that location dot y is equals to 305 and x is greater than equal 297 and x is less than equal 522, picture box 1 dot image equals properties dot resources dot red paint splatter. Picture box 1 dot send to back, picture box 4 dot visible equals true, counter equals 0. Kung yung picture box 1 ito ma'am, ito ma'am, pag na-hit siya ng car ng left side, yung bird na yon malilipat sa likod, then yung picture box 4 na nasa likod niya yung mapupunta sa harap. Tulad nito ma'am. Yan, ma'am, nabangga siya ng car sa left side, kaya nagkaroon ng red paint splatter dito, ma'am. Yung egg, pagka-hit sa kanya ng car, pumunta siya sa na-send siya sa back, then itong picture na to yung napunta sa harap. So, if yung timer 1 that enable equals true and x equals 375, kung yung egg hindi siya na-hit ng car, magkakaroon ako ng score. Yung score ko magpa-plus ng 1. So, yung level to the text equals score to string. Yung score, itatransfer siya into string para mabasa ng nun. Yung picture box 5 that visible equals true, picture box 6 visible equals false. Pag nagka-score ako, may lalabas na very good dito sa right side, yung picture box 6. If yung x is greater than equal 1,000, picture box to that location equals new point, negative 158y, timer.3 enable, timer 4 that enable equals true. Yung picture box 2, yung car dito sa left side, yan. Yung timer 3, yung timer 4 lang magpa-function. So, sa timer 4, x equals picture box 3 that location dot x, y equals picture box 3 that location y, picture box 3 that location equals new point x, negative 5 y. Ito, yan yung car sa, ito ma'am, yung car sa right side. Yun, kung yung ito, ganun din kung gano'n siya kabilis papasok. If picture box 1 that location dot y equals 305 and x is greater than equal 297 and x is less than equal 522, picture box 1 that image equals property results red paint splatter, picture box 1 send to box, picture box 2 that visible equals true counter 0. Ganun din siya, ma'am, pag yung egg na-hit siya ng yung bird, pag na-hit siya ng car sa right side, yung picture box 1 malilipat sa likod, din yung picture box 4 yung malilipat sa harap. Yun yung red paint splatter. Sa timer 1, if timer 1 that enable is equals true and x is equals to 377, pag hindi din siya na-hit ng car, magkakaroon ako ng score plus 1, then ita-transfer into string. Yung picture box 6 that visible equals true, picture box 5 that visible false. Yung picture box 6 na naman yung visible. Yung nandito ata yun, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, ito na naman yung lalabas pag nakascore ako. Then, if yung x is less than equal negative 151, picture box 3 that location, new point 947y, picture box 3. Ito, ma'am, yung kung gano'n siya kabilis, yung timer 3 na naman yung magpa-function, kaya naka-true siya. Yung timer 4 na naman yung naka-false. So, sa picture box 4, ito yun, ma'am, yung game over. Picture box 4 that visible equals false, picture box 5 visible false din, picture box dot 6 visible naka-false din siya. Yung timer 3, yun naman yung yun yung mag-function din. Counter equals negative 1, picture box dot 1 image properties bird copy, picture box 1 bring to front, score, this is label to the text, score to string. So, ito, ma'am, kunwari, na-hit siya ng car, lalabas to ma'am para makapag-restart ka ulit ng game mo. So, yun lang po.